So the drizzle stopped and we have perfect cool weather that is not usual for Singapore. This is as good as being in a Mediterranean, rather temperate country, say Melbourne in early spring. Cloudy, there we have fiddling in a reflective pose. Casuarina exploratory, 100 meters. Nearest shelter, West Promenade, 200 meters. Can you hear the birds? And these trees look like as if we are in a temperate country, right? Is this coniferous?
Casuarina.
Casuarina. Look at this. I wonder if this landmass opposite is Malaysia, Japan. I would think so. So it's very easy to walk just at the perimeter of Coney Island. So later on I can just return to the start point on this side. What a wonderful discovery. Always heard about Coney Island, but finally I get to see it for myself.